Hey guys, so today we're going to do a quick little how-to video, and it's going to be about how to use these little curlicue things I got from Home Depot. So I'll show you what they are and we'll see how they work. Alright, I'm not sure if you can see the green one very well, but these are supposed to be a 60-inch curlicue little spiral tomato support. As you can see, I already have it wrapped around one. So I wanted to show you today how to do these. So they come like this, red one just for contrast, right there. And they come in 3 colors, blue, red, and green. So if you don't like those 3 colors, you're kind of SOL on the color choice, unless they have other options in other states. So what you want to do, kind of like with any other support, is you want to get as close to the plant as possible. You want to just push down gently but firmly, and you might have to spin it a little bit to get it to go. And then if you get anything stuck, just gently move it. Let's see if I can't set you guys up on the tripod here. Give you a little bit more support. There you go. Alright, so you get that to a good height, and then what you do is you just wrap the tomato as it grows around the support, and then as it gets taller you can wrap more of it up and up and up and up and up. Unless you have like a determinant, this height isn't necessarily necessary, or if you have a determinant, it's not necessarily necessary, but it's still a good support. And then if the plant needs extra support, you can just pull it closer. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, just pull it closer and then tie it off with whatever tie you choose or clip. And that's basically how you do it. So let's see. Here, let me see if I can set you guys down. Is that a good view? Yeah, I'm trying to find you a good view. Cool. Alright, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to set this right behind the plant as close as I can. And I'm just going to push it in. I'm going to just push it in. And then I have some regular dirt down here, so that's what's causing the force of it to be harder. There we go. And then it just sits there on its own. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah. Just sits there on its own. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently just wrap the plant around like that. Now I have this other stalk here as well. I have 2 main stalks per se. I'm going to let this one just hang out on its own until it truly needs more support, and then I'll try to combine it in the other direction as it goes up to kind of give it a little hug all the way around. So hoping I don't have to tie it, because if you do tie them, the support ties can rub, causing an open spot, which can hurt the plant over time because it leaves it open to bugs and all sorts of things. But there you go. Hopefully you guys got to see that. I know my screen view is a little weird, but yeah. So it's just wrapped around, as you can see right here. So yeah, they're very simple to use, they're very easy. I think I got 2 in every color. And the great thing I noticed about these is that you can adjust the height of how deep the skewer goes into the ground. So if your bed's really shallow, you don't necessarily have to put it all the way to the base of your ground level if you have like a bottom to your raised bed, if you're using a raised bed or whatever. But because if you plant your plants like I did in this like teepee kind of fashion, you can combine these together. So this would be great for like pole beans and all sorts of other applications as well. You just have to secure the tops to make it a teepee for you. So like I have these bamboos. If you didn't want to get the bamboos and you wanted something colorful and fun, especially if you're putting it in like a kid's garden or something, this would be a fun thing to do. Well, hopefully that you guys learned something today. I can see you guys on the next video. If you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, it'd be very appreciated. And if you guys have ever used these, leave a comment down below. Tell me how you thought they worked out for you. See you guys on the next video. Bye.